Wait, where is Moana's face? Oh no! Maui's face is missing too! Uh-oh, baby Moana! Pua! Heihei! And who's this guy again? Hello besties! Essie here for Nat and Essie, and today we are going to have lots of fun with our face stickers featuring our Moana characters. Moana should be here somewhere. There she is! So we are gonna go ahead and start off with Moana, and we are going to do 3 different kinds of faces. Silly face, normal face. Wait, let's start. Normal face, silly face, and cool face. Alright, for Moana, let's do it. For the regular face, I think we can do with this one. Here. Oh, there she is. And then we are gonna have her wear her necklace too. Here. Looks like she needs to be holding her paddle. So let's go ahead and take her out from this sticker sheet. Ooh. We're gonna go ahead and put her on this paper. She goes right there. So that's our normal looking face. Now let's change it up and we are going to make a silly face. Which face is the silliest? I think this one is. There we go. We have a little clamshell. And also a starfish here. Oh, there's a bird. We are gonna put that flying above. Alright, I think that's the silliest face I can make it. Now we are gonna do the cool looking face. That is going to be this one. She has a little smirk because she knows that she's super cool. Ta-da! Now we are going to add some cool things around her. Here is a beach volleyball. Lots of coconut trees. Nothing cooler than sitting on a beach chair with an umbrella. There it is. There is Moana. Bok, 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 bok. Heihei says he wants his face too. All right, Heihei, let's get you out of this sheet and we'll put you on a bigger one. Heihei goes right here. Alright, Heihei, let's get you your normal looking face. I feel like Heihei's face are all silly though. This one I think is the most normal Heihei face. Ah! There's Heihei! Oh, I love it! Wait, why does he have Maui's hook? That's not right. Did he take it away from him? Maybe so. Alright, how about a seashell? Right over here, right over there. I think this one is the silliest face. Ta-da! There is the silly face. And then, you know what else is silly? That he has Maui's hook. I think that's silly. Maybe the fish is like, you know, just chilling on top of his feathers like that. Maybe the turtle is like hanging on to Heihei's tail. Let's add some things around, like this beach chair with umbrella. Whoa, Heihei has an octopus foot! And maybe the other foot is this seaweed. Ah! Okay, this is indeed the silliest Heihei ever. Pua is the cutest. You know what? I think Pua is like a dog in a pig's body. Let's take him out of the sheet first. Right over here. Are you kidding me? That face is so cute. That is his normal looking face. He's cute without even trying. His crab friend. Well, there's another crabby. Crabby goes right here on the bottom. Let's do a cool face first. Oh no, this one is kind of a sad face though. Oh, look at that. How could you say no to that face? A drink. Like that. That's not really a cool face. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and make this fun. Let me see that cute smiley face. Oh, that is so much better. A little ball on his head. Let's put a coconut drink on the other side. Hey, look, a shell on his ear. Wait, is that a lemonade? Oh, let's not forget Maui. Let's give Maui his normal face. Always in need of a boat. Here, looks so tiny. Gotta have his hook, right? We'll have him hold it right around here. He looks so tiny. Cool face. He has this smirk because he knows he's super cool. We are going to surround him with sea animals. So we got this huge whale. Well, supposed to be big, but looks tiny compared to Maui. That turtle right here. Fishy fish, 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 fish. This is the only other face left. Doesn't look very silly, but maybe we can do something silly with it. Ba-bum. Maui has a starfish on his hair. Whoa, another starfish on his hair. We're gonna put the sun, well, you know, where it's supposed to be. Kind of like in the sky. The clamshell on his bicep. What if we put the coconut on top of his head? There is Maui, our demigod. Oh, how could we forget little Moana here? Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, so let's start with this face here, which is this like kind of about to cry face. I think goes kind of like this. 1, 2, 3. Happy little Moana coming up. This one. Oh, she looks super happy. And then we'll put another flower on her hair. There we go. Cute. Now for the fun part. Her silly looking face. Ta-da-ta-da. We'll make this even sillier. We'll put a little snail or shell. It's like she's holding it, right? And one over here. Let's not forget her little lemonade. We'll have her put it here on her feet, like she's balancing it. There you go. There is little Moana. So we got little Moana, big Moana, Heihei, Hua, and of course, Maui. Which one of these face stickers is your favorite? I love them all. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.